Hey guys, welcome to Batemi. In this new video series, I'm going to teach you how to code this little nifty device called Circuit Playground Express. So, what is Circuit Playground Express? Circuit Playground Express is a microcontroller. There are other microcontrollers out there in the market that you can buy, such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi Pico, and Microbit. The reason I'm going with Circuit Playground Express is that it has many built-in components so that you can start using them immediately out of the box rather than spending more money later on buying those sensors separately. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be using a popular language called Python to code this device. But in order for it to understand Python, we have to install Python interpreter so that the device can understand Python. This Python interpreter called CircuitPython doesn't come with it when you buy it. So what we have to do is to go to website, download the CircuitPython, and install it on this device so that I can start using Python to code. The materials that you will need for this online course are Circuit Playground Express, a USB core that you can use to connect this device to your computer, and of course your computer so that you can start coding in Python. All right, let's start by downloading CircuitPython onto your Circuit Playground Express. Open up your browser and type in circuitpython.org/downloads and look for Circuit Playground Express. Click on it and click on Download.uf2 Now button. Next, connect your Circuit Playground Express to your computer and you'll notice that a new USB drive called C Playbook appears on your screen. Now find the Reset button on the center of your Circuit Playground Express and double-click on it. This should change all 10 LEDs to green color. This indicates that your CPX is ready for a new bootloader software. Now grab the downloaded file and drag and drop the file you just downloaded to CPlaybook USB drive. It'll take a few seconds to install the software and your device will reboot and reappear to your computer as CircuitPy. Now click on it to make sure that you have all the 4 files that you'll see on the screen. That's it. Thanks for joining me today and see you next time.